Once upon a time, traveling time from Vizag to Hyderabad takes approximately 12 hours. Tremendously, it reduced to 6 hours with the help of train called Vande Bharat Express, also known as Train 18, which is developed by Indian Coach Factory Chennai, and it is India's first semi-high-speed train with maximum speed of 160 km per hour, which was launched on February 15, 2019 by PM Narendra Modi from New Delhi to Varanasi. It contains some features like an anti-collision system called Kavach and tilting technology, which can help in identifying curves in high speed. Some other features like Wi-Fi availability and bio-vacuum toilets, which contain language for disabled persons, and pantry expenses on ticket expenses, and also it can accelerate its speed to 100 km per hour within time span of 54.6 seconds, maximum speed by 145 seconds. And upcoming Vande Bharat 3.0, which contains AC sleeper class with 180 to 200 km per hour, and Vande Bharat 4.0, which also have cattle guard technology. And also Vande Bharat was built on EMU technology. And PM Narendra Modi last year had announced by August 2023, 75 Vande Bharat trains will be on track. And for all these features, we must thankful to the person called Sudhanshu Mani who designed Vande Bharat Express. This is new era in travel technology of Indian Railways. Let us hope India will enhance its infrastructure in further upcoming years. This is a brief explanation about Vande Bharat Express. I am K. Sai Muktesh from Inter Second Year. Thank you.